With its path-breaking technology, Toshiba provides best-in-class cooling and heating solutions to its customers. Toshiba has a strong business coverage in Europe, America, Japan, Asia, Middle East and Africa, consisting 50 countries worldwide. With Japanese research and innovation, our products are capable of providing cool environments in hot climates or warm environments in freezing temperatures. For any type of space from small to large buildings, we are not just effective in controlling temperatures, but with our commitment to contribute in making our customers' lives safer and comfortable. Our ACs have features like PCB enclosure, PM 2.5 filtration, anti-corrosive double cleaning systems, Magic Foil, self-cleaning system, and Toshiba Home Air Conditioner control for enhanced reliability and safety. With the best innovative technology, Toshiba will continue to make top quality products and services.